Good splashy. Oh.
Oh, he like got me.
You are crazy. You are crazy. You are crazy. You are crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You gotta keep yourself demure. Can you do that? Can you do that? Oh. No, no. No, no. We're gonna rinse your head. Okay? We're gonna rinse your head. We'll close your eyes.
Oh, jeez, he's getting me.
Oh, where'd you go? Oh, where'd you go, baby? Where did you go? I'm in your light. I'm in your light. Oh! That's very good.
Oh my gosh. He's getting all of us. Oh! I'm like, it's splashing in my face.
Okay, okay. That's a very messy boy. We're supposed to be getting clean.
I think it's time to be washing him in like a bathtub. Oh my gosh, he's making such a mess.
Okay, hey, calm your little body. Can you calm your little body down?
All the drips. And the floor.
Hey, look at this face, Justin.
Hi, Joe.
Calm your body.
You like the bath?
Yeah, I would say so. I would say so.
He thinks it's the rodeo.
Wow! Right on cowboy.
Smile, you're on TV.
Alright, bath is over.
Alright, Joe. You splashy man.